These are laundry detergent sheets by Air Jungle. It has a nice fragrance. It smells like a light floral smell. It's very fresh. I like these because there's no mess, there's zero waste, it dissolves easily, and you can tear them apart easily, so you could put it the appropriate size in for your load. And my laundry comes out smelling clean and fresh. I just add it to the area where you would normally put your detergent. I folded mine in half to make it fit in there. This works well for large loads, small loads, and it comes out clean and fresh.